calling. We want to meet you people, all the students. We know you are in your lockdown period, and we, as Anived College, the team of staff members, would like to meet you all and have a direct discussion with you people. At the moment, we have a principal online. She will join us and she will also interact with the students for a few minutes. Please do subscribe the channel and be in touch with the college so that you can know what's happening in college also. Over to our principal, Dr. Kamala Balakrishnan.
Okay, thank you, Zafia. Good evening to all. I I feel really privileged to meet you all through this YouTube channel. And this is the time everyone difficult period. Though we want to meet each one, interact with each one physically, but at this situation we are not able to do that. Okay, but it is the same situation exists around the world. So we have to go through this period with difficulties with the positive attitude. So my request to all of you is every day morning you stay safe and also keep yourself self motivating. Why I am saying is every day morning we wake up and we'll do all other things with the priority that we have to go and do something. That is, today we have to go to college and complete this work. But now the situation is wake up and again you are sitting at home. And some students are utilizing this period as a learning period. And some of them are doing great social service, helping neighbors, helping frontline workers, and whatever way they can to contribute, they are contributing it. My request to Annai Violet Arts and Science College students and faculty members is this is the time you can learn, you can upgrade yourself, as well as you can help others, whatever way and means you can do it. Okay, and there are plenty of videos available in YouTube. Yesterday I saw on YouTube how to make face shield. It shows us just 5 minutes with the help of OHP sheet you can make a face shield, and the cost of that making face shield is less than 10 rupees. If we all are come together, we prepare 100 to 115 face shields and we can give it to the hospitals and ask the frontline workers to wear it, and we can help them. Okay, they are the one doctors, police, and the brave people who are helping us. When vegetable vendors, after this Coimbatore incident, now people are not able to get vegetables and fruits from the nearby shops. So it is the responsibility of you and me to help our neighbors. Okay, you can take this as a service, but not at the cost of your health or your family's health. First, take all precautionary measures to save yourself. So, stay at home and take care of your family members. That's the first step. If you are moving out of home to help others, wear mask and wash your hands frequently. Use sanitizer. At least create awareness among the neighbors how to use sanitizer, how to wash your hands. Even today, many people they don't know how to wash their hands. Okay, and that too when they are uh, in this situation, some of them are not able to get the proper health care, and they are so casual and they are not aware of what to do. Those kind of people, you can help them. And PG students, this is like, no, if you educate yourself, you can educate more people. So try to educate more people, and when you share any videos, WhatsApp videos, check the contents are really safe. What I mean here is the content which it contains is the true fact. Check, then only share it. Now the WhatsApp and other groups, they themselves restricted the sharing options, but still be aware of what you are sharing. That's very important. Why I'm saying this is, don't share unwanted things or unnecessary things, or please don't guide people in a wrong way. You make sure that is this is the right information, then you can share it. I hope and you all support the cause of education and also create awareness among the public. As far as Anna Violet College is concerned, we are going to host series of webinars starting from tomorrow. Okay, then already faculty members are taking so much efforts to keep you in the streamline of education, and they are sharing notes, they are conducting quizzes, they are conducting examinations, and some of the students are responding it positively, others maybe they are not having the facilities expected, mobile facility, but you can share your notes with them, and please inculcate the habit of peer learning. That is going to help us. Now we are moving towards virtual learning platform where everyone has to share your knowledge. This is for faculty members as well as students. If you start sharing your knowledge, you will start gaining more knowledge. See, this is the simple psychology. If I want to say something to someone, obviously I will want to make sure that I am giving the correct information. So unknowingly, I'll start preparing for myself. That helps for you to perform better in your examination, and also you are helping your friends. Keep this in your mind. And my request is start attending webinars, and teachers, faculty members are sharing that webinars in messages to you. So please attend any webinars. Our college organizing webinars as well as other colleges are also organizing it. Second most important thing is share this information with your friends and relatives. Okay, go and if you missed one webinar session, nothing to worry about it. You can watch that webinar session through YouTube channel. Our college YouTube channel is also there. Through that you can watch it anytime. And we are planning to upload so many virtual materials in our college CMS system as well as YouTube. This effort is the collective efforts taken by the faculty members. Particularly here, I would like to thank IQAC coordinators, department HODs, faculty members, and most importantly, the management. Management is giving us such a support, and during this lockdown period also, they are in connect with us, and they are motivating us to give more seminars, more virtual classes, so that students can benefit out of this. So I take this opportunity to thank our chairman, secretary, joint secretary, sir, and management people, as well as my strength is always my team members, HODs, and faculty members. Thank you all. Thank you. Cut பண்ணானா இல்லையா?
Thank you, Principal. And now to remind the viewers, we have a series of webinars coming up for the next few weeks. Please join us and do get informative about the current situation as well as the subject academically. And we are going to host also quiz programs. And before that, we would request all the students and faculty to go and like the channel, our Anna Violet channel. The link is provided to you through WhatsApp. Please do go and subscribe it, and click the bell button so that you will get notifications about the live programs that we are going to be streaming in the coming weeks. Thank you. Thank you once again.